Rhythm of value. Rhythm of value is a movement of value flowing in regular measures. Movement resulting in a change from light to a dark value, or dark to a light value within a regular and repeated pattern of progression. This establishes rhythm of value. Rhythm of color is a movement of color flowing in regular measures, movement resulting in change from one color to the next within a regular repeated pattern of progression. This establishes rhythm of color. Rhythm of measure occurs only when movement appears in regular measures flowing in a distinctive direction. Elements comprising of size and unity and spacing between elements creates visual rhythmic movement. The measure of space between elements or elements themselves may be regular without being equal if they gradually increase or decrease in size according to a noticeable regular progression. Multiple elements with shared features create visual repetition. Repetition may occur in size, color, shape, dimension, texture, or direction. Elements possessing equal distance between them establish a frequency of rhythm. Rhythm may be even geometric or uneven, which is organic. Random is the lack of repetition in rhythm. Progression, sequencing, and repetition create directional movement. Movement is the motion of objects across space and time. Movement in design is instability. Movement is dynamic direction, which causes the eye to move over the surface of a design. Since there is no movement within a static unit, there can be no movement in repetition of static units. Only harmony of repetition will exist, movement created within a group of static units by the gradual grouping of units into a pattern of regular progression creates rhythm. All two-dimensional images are static, but they may give the illusion of movement through the establishment of rhythm between elements. Movement may be perceived as a sequence of elements or as visual rhythm possessing stored visual kinetic energy. As an example, the swirling white icing on a Hostess brand cupcake implies stored visual kinetic energy throughout the rhythm and movement. True movement only exists in 3 dimensions. Moving objects establishes a path of direction. Direction is established by the presumed endpoint of the element's path. Visual progression, sequencing, and repetition create directional movement. Literal movement. Literal movement physically occurs as objects move in space and time. Video, television, video games, and feature films represent literal movement. Compositional movement occurs within a 2-dimensional design as a viewer's eye follows a visual path within the composition. Eye direction is subtler than a pointing hand or arrow, but it achieves the same end result in a permission-based manner. Always face a person to look into your composition. People will naturally follow the eye direction path of a person in a photo, so that if the person in the photo is looking off the page or away from your composition, the viewer will be visually thrown off the composition before you're able to communicate your message. Position eye direction towards the focal point of your composition. Let's talk about eye paths. Eye-directed paths like converging perspective, roads, rivers, train tracks, or a row of trees or telephone poles going off in the distance are commonly used as eye flow devices. As a designer, your job is to direct the eye flow of your composition so that the customer is presented with each element of communication in the desired order of priority following the direction of the eye flow within the design.